All right, here we are again. And again, Rob is having trouble passing the underneath arm, so he passes over and hands it off to his own hand. Boom. So once he gets here, he's gonna move to north-south like he wanted to before, and he's gonna apply the knee on belly pressure here. So it's sort of like a kick, gets to the knee on belly pressure. And from here, John doesn't do anything. He just stays there, right? He didn't put his hand down by the knee or anything like that. So the next step for Rob is Rob has to clear John's other arm. So he's gonna kick his leg all the way back by the hip. See how his knee is kind of like back here by the hip? He stretches it down there and it's gonna slide up John's body and straighten his arm out, just like this, and kind of get it trapped. Then he's gonna readjust, make it even higher, and put his leg really close underneath. At this point, Rob does not need to have live toes at all. All right, his foot just needs to be underneath like this. His arm is really nice and trapped, right? Now he's also gonna adjust his grip on this side here. So he has just the one grip. He's gonna feed it to his other hand. He can really crank down and get his hand so it's really stuck. So both the hands here are putting pressure down that lapel, keeping his arm stuck. It's gonna make it really hard to defend the mount. All right, and then to go to the mount here, Rob's just gonna lean forward on his head, kind of smother his chest on top of John's face, and then he's gonna take his back leg here, he's gonna kick it back, and he's gonna step on his hips. See how his foot is on the hip here? That's really important because if he just put his foot on the ground like a normal way, try to slide his knee to the mat, he's gonna get caught in the half guard. So he wants to place his foot on the hip. So he kicks his leg back, and then goes forward under the hip like this, and now he can keep putting pressure and slide him out. Then he gets him out of position here. If he needs to let go of that grip to keep his base, he can, if ever needs to do that. But he's trying to keep the pressure there, held there, because there's a lot of good attacks we're gonna use in a second.